Okay.
Let's go for a walk.
Okay.
It sounds like a plan.
I'll call you later.
You want a coffee? I'll grab you one.
Edie, would you like to join us for dinner?
Do you want to grab a coffee?
Sounds like a plan.
Sounds like a plan.
I'll call you later.
Do you want to grab a coffee?
I'm looking forward to it.
Well, tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock.
Let's go for a walk.
Yeah, let's go for a walk.
Would you like to join us for dinner?
Are you free?
I'll grab a cup of coffee sometime.
Let's go for a walk.
Tomorrow morning.
Listen, I appreciate your help.
Don't worry about it.
Let me know if you need anything.
I'm proud of you.
I'll think about it.
I'm proud of you.
I understand completely.
I understand completely.
I appreciate your help.
If you need anything, let me know.
I understand completely.
That's a good idea.
Take care of yourself.
Where the hell have you been?
Where the hell have you been?
Oh, no, thank you. I'm just looking.
Everything will be fine.
That's a good idea.
I appreciate your help today.
I'm proud of you, Finn. I'm proud of us.
No, thanks. I'm just looking.
I completely understand. I
appreciate your help, Molly.
I'll think about it.
I'm working on this project. Yeah.
Take care of yourself.
Don't worry about it.
That's a good idea.
Really appreciate your help.
Where the hell have you been?
Oh, I'm just looking, thanks.
Don't worry about it.
completely understand.
Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine.